To Mathematics with Suleiman, and in this video we are going to do the question on financial mathematics, and in particular for grade 12's annuities. So this comes from the 2025 prelim paper. Province Preparatory Examination 2025, paper 1, question 7. Point 1. A business buys a machine that costs 120,000 rand. The value of the machine depreciates at 9% per annum according to the diminishing balance method. Now there's a hint in what they're saying there. If they say depreciate, then you must remember it is the formula with the negative. And if they say diminishing balance, then this should remind you of compound interest, what you've learned in grade 11. So the first question, 7.11, determine the scrap value of the machine at the end of 5 years. So scrap value, and remember, the value is depreciating, so therefore you choose the formula A equals to P into 1 minus I to the power of N. So you do your substitution. Remember, how do we derive I? I is always 9% divided by 100. And that gives us 0,09. Of course, all of this is calculator work. And you should get the answer of 77,483 and 86 cents. 2. After 5 years, the machine needs to be replaced. During this time, inflation remained constant at 7% per annum. Determine the cost of a new machine at the end of 5 years. So that is now not depreciation, that is appreciation. So therefore the formula with the plus. So therefore I equals to P into 1 plus I to the power of N. Do your substitution. Again, remember where is 0,07 coming from, and then you get your final answer of 168,306 rand and 21 cents. Point 1.3. Now the business estimates that it will need approximately 90,000 rand by the end of 5 years. Now a sinking fund for approximately 90,000 into which equal monthly installments will pay is set up. Interest on this fund is 8.5% per annum, compounded monthly. Now, the minute you see that, now you must think of future value or annuities, isn't it? So the first payment will be made immediately. This is also very important. Take note of that. And the last payment will be made at the end of 5 years. Calculate the value of the monthly payments into the sinking fund. Now you remember from question 7.11 and question 7.12, we determined the first value of 168,306 rand and 21 cents. So we have to subtract the answer we got from 7.1.2, which was 74,883 rand and 86 cents. And that gives you 93,422 rand and 35 cents. So that's sinking fund is very close to the 90,000 rand. So therefore we choose the future value formula. And why? How do we know that? Because they said was compounded monthly. So we choose the formula of future value, right? Present value. So therefore the formula you should remember is x into x plus I to the power n minus 1 over I. Now where is that n plus 1 coming from? Remember they said the first payment will be made immediately. So that means it's an extra month you must add. Right. So 5 years will give you 60 months, but now it will have to be 61 months because you pay immediately. So please don't forget it. And that is equal to 90,000 rand. Do your substitution. Do your calculations using the calculator. They shouldn't be difficult. And then you get the answer of 1,184 rand and 68 cents. Point 2, Kasala receives an amount of 900,000 upon her retirement. She invests this amount immediately at an interest rate of 10.5% per annum, compounded monthly. Already there's a hint, compounded monthly, so this must be annuity. She needs an amount of 18,000 per month to maintain her current lifestyle and plans to withdraw the first amount at the end of the month. So therefore, N will remain N, isn't it? For how many months will she be able to live off her investment? So if they ask for time, then you should know this will involve N, and of course it will involve logs. When that bell should ring in your head immediately. And of course, now it is present value because we want the money now, isn't it? So therefore, the formula for present value, x into 1 minus 1 plus I to the power negative n, don't forget now, over I equals to 90,000. So, 900,000. Right. So do your substitutions. Again, remember, where's I coming from? And of course, remember, it's monthly, so it's always divided by 12. Don't forget that. And remember, N must be solved. So there's different ways to simplify this problem. A lot of people choose different methods of solving, but at the end of the day, you need to make N the subject. So you need to figure out how you're going to make N the subject, where you can eventually use your logs in the last, second last step, where you introduce logs, because remember, logs is the only way you can make N the subject. And then you'll get N equals to 66,043, which of course you can round off. So we will accept 66 or even 67 months. Okay, just one more reminder. Remember, to round off too soon is going to influence your answer. So please avoid premature rounding. And that's why you will see all the values were the same throughout. Remember now, do not round off too soon. Thank you for watching Mathematics with Suleiman. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Remember, subscription is free, and with your subscription, it can help me and encourage me to do more videos.